So today in this video we'll show you how you can cloak your affiliate links and what are the exact steps you need to follow. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So before we start cloaking our affiliate link, let me just open my ClickBank account where we'll choose the offer that we will today consider for cloaking. So I've logged into my ClickBank account, and now let's say for example that here is the offer with the name of custom keto diet, and let's say for example that you want to cloak this affiliate offer. So before cloaking, you have to simply generate the affiliate link for this offer. So to generate the affiliate link, you have to click on this promote button here. You have to click on this, and then you have to click on the generate hop link button here, and then you will get the affiliate link. You have to simply copy this, and if I just simply copy and paste this affiliate link and just open it, so you can see that the URL that it's currently showing is customketodiet.com, and this is the ClickBank ID. So you can see the complete URL of the landing page that it's currently showing. So this is the URL www.customketodiet.com. So now let's say you want to cloak this affiliate offer. So to do that, you have to simply use a website by the name of qliker.io. Don't worry, I will give the link in description. You can go there and click there. You will land on this website. And the best part is that you can use this website to do cloaking for 1 month absolutely free. You don't have to pay even a single penny. You don't have to use your credit card, debit card or PayPal or anything to sign up here. You can simply sign up and use this website completely free. So let me just sign in here. So I've logged into my QLiker account the same way you have to also log in, and once you log in, you will see a add link button on the top right corner here. You have to click on this, and once you do that, the next step is that you have to simply give a name for your cloaking link or the tracking link that we are going to create. So let's give a name test1. You have to give a name like that, and then in the primary URL you have to simply paste the affiliate link of the offer, that is the custom keto diet offer that we have chosen for an example. You have to simply copy the affiliate link that you have got from this offer. So let me just copy my affiliate link. So once you have copied your affiliate link, you have to simply come here and you have to paste it over here, and then you can see here's written cloak link, and currently it's selected no, just track and redirect the URL above. You have to click on the yes here, and then you have to simply scroll down and click on the save changes button here, and now you can see a tracking link has been successfully created. And if I now click on the name of the tracking link and then I scroll down, you have to simply copy the tracking link URL that's written here. You have to simply copy this URL, and once you have copied this, and if I now show you by opening this URL, you can see that the landing page is the same as before landing page, but the before URL was www.customketodiet.com, but now the URL for this landing page has been changed, and it's changed to guru512.qliker.com, and this URL is here, that's written here, guru512.qliker.com test1, and you can see that here's also written test1. So you can see that the landing page has been the same like I showed you before. So the landing page has been the same in both the URL, but the URL has been changed. The first one was customketodiet.com and the second one was guru512.qliker.com. So this is how you cloak your affiliate links. So now let's say that you don't want to use this URL, you want to use a XYZ URL or a custom domain. So for that you have to simply purchase a paid plan for qliker.com, and you can then add up to 2 custom domain in the paid plan, and you can like write here xyz.com and the person will see that URL only. So you can choose any URL, any domain of your choice, and you can replace it with the affiliate link of the offer. So this was a step-by-step tutorial on how you can cloak your affiliate links for absolutely free. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any doubt, you can ask them in the comments below. Till then, bye bye, take care.